वेलकम टू स्टडी हब। डेली द हिंदू वोकैब्युलरी में आपका स्वागत है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इंकर्जन, आक्रमण, घुसपैठ। मीनिंग, एन एग्रेसिव एंट्रेंस इनटू अ फॉरेन टेरिटोरी, एन इन्वेजन और सडन अटैक। सिनोनिम्स, इन्वेजन, इंट्रूजन, रेड। एंटोनिम्स, रिट्रीट, विथड्रॉल, डिफेंस। Example, Mr. Marcos has taken a strong position against Chinese incursions in the West Philippine Sea. Abrasive, kathor, rukha. Meaning, showing little concern for the feelings of others, harsh. Synonyms, harsh, rough, caustic. Antonyms, gentle, kind, soothing. Example, the invitation was also a way of easing tensions caused by Piyush Goyal's unnecessarily abrasive remarks. Percolate, फैलना, रिसना. Meaning, to gradually spread through or penetrate. Synonyms, filter, seep, infiltrate. Antonyms, block, stop, halt. Example, the 100 bps of rate cuts are still percolating through the system. Ushered, शुरुआत करना. Meaning, to cause or mark the start of something new. Synonyms, initiated, commenced, launched. Antonyms, ended, concluded, terminated. Example, the tariff measures ushered in a new era of trade uncertainty. Ignominy, अपमान, बदनामी. Meaning, public shame or disgrace. Synonyms, disgrace, dishonor, humiliation. Antonyms, honor, glory, esteem. Example, he should resign to avoid the ignominy of being dismissed by the chief minister. Starkly, spashtata se, tivrata se. Meaning, in a way that is clear and obvious, often harshly so. Synonyms, bluntly, clearly, sharply. Antonyms, subtly, vaguely, indistinctly. Example, the report starkly highlighted the flaws in the system. Fructify, फलित होना. Meaning, to bear fruit or produce results. Synonyms, materialize, yield, result. Antonyms, fail, wither, abort. Example, the benefits of such research may fructify only after centuries. Inconsequential, महत्वहीन. Meaning, not important or significant. Synonyms, trivial, insignificant, negligible. Antonyms, significant, important, substantial. Example, the mistake was inconsequential to the overall project outcome. Subjugate, वश में करना. Meaning, to bring under control or domination, often by force. Synonyms, conquer, dominate, overpower. Antonyms, liberate, free, emancipate. Example, the new law was seen by many as an attempt to subjugate the transparency of public institutions. Dissent, ashamti. Meaning, the expression or holding of opinions that differ from those previously. Synonyms, disagreement, opposition, protest. Antonyms, agreement, consensus, harmony. Example, Justice Dhulia expressed dissent, emphasizing the need for broader economic inclusion. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.